The weather department has predicted temporary strong winds with thunderstorms and rain in some areas of the Sylhet division. The forecast was included in a 72-hour weather report signed by meteorologist Dr. Mohammad Abul Kalam Mullik on March 15. According to the forecast, a low-pressure system is extending over West Bengal and nearby areas. The seasonal low-pressure system is located in the southern Bay of Bengal. Because of this, some places in the Sylhet division may experience temporary strong winds with thunderstorms and rain on March 15. In other parts of the country, the weather will remain mostly dry with partly cloudy skies. Daytime temperatures may rise slightly, while nighttime temperatures are expected to stay the same. On March 16, the weather is expected to be dry with partly cloudy skies across the country. Both daytime and nighttime temperatures may increase slightly. On March 17, the weather will remain the same, but daytime temperatures may decrease slightly while nighttime temperatures stay unchanged. The weather department also mentioned that thunderstorms with rain may occur in the next 5 days. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.